Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. How are you? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Okay. Um, did you see the homesickness lesson video? Did you see that lesson? I think you understand the lesson. Okay, it's a quite interesting lesson. So, in this video, we are going to see I'm going to explain you the notes. Okay. So, I think you have finished that homesickness. So, those who have finished that notes, you take out that note and you, check that. Okay, while I'm pronouncing the words, reading, you check this whether you have correctly written that. Okay. Um, before starting this, last time I corrected some of the notes. I'm not satisfied about your handwriting. Okay, all should write neatly, and then first topic you have to write in the middle, and then a chapter, and then meanings. Okay, that meaning spelling also you are making mistakes. That is not good. You are in 6th standard. Okay, and in English notebook you are making mistakes. Okay, so don't do that. Write the spelling correctly. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, call me. Miss, what is the spelling for this word? Understand? So, all of you take out your notebook. So, the chapter name is Homesickness, Lesson 2. First one is meanings. Okay. In your textbook, there are so many meanings they have given, and some meanings are very long. Some of the meaning I cut short that. Okay, cut short. I had given that meaning in a short way. So 10 meanings only I have given. So it's all a easy meaning only. So learn that. Okay. Meanings. First one, seasickness. Seasickness already I explained you in the video. Sickness caused by the movement of a ship at sea. Okay. Sickness means some sort of fearness and having fever like that, caused by the movement of a ship at sea. That is seasickness. Okay, so don't write the spelling wrongly. Seacickness, double S will come. Okay, and then second one, appendicitis. Okay, pronounce the word appendicitis. Appendicitis. Okay, swelling of the appendix. So it's a disease. So it has a swelling of the appendix in a particular area. That is end of the large intestine. Understand? And then ancient. Ancient is very important meaning. Okay, ancient. ANCIENT. Ancient means very old. Sterile. Disinfected. Okay, disinfected. Um, matron. Infected means infected. Disinfected means it's not infected. Matron, a female nurse in a boarding school. This one I already explained you. Matron means a female nurse in a boarding school. Staggering. Staggering. Staggering means walking or moving unsteadily with difficulty. So if we have fever or if we have any health problem, we cannot walk properly. So staggering means, that is the meaning, walking or moving unsteadily with difficulty. Pathetically, this is also very important meaning. Pathetically. Pathetically, in a way that arouses pity. For example, if you see any beggars, you feel, oh, what a sad you are telling. No, that is pity. Okay. Help, not that HELP, that is YELP. A sudden cry of pain. Okay, suddenly you got any pain. Severe pain means you will scream, no, you will cry. So that is help. Stock, STOCK. Stock means usual or typical. Okay, usual way. Wisdom, the ability to use your knowledge. Okay, the ability to use your knowledge. So here, respond to the following appropriately. In your textbook, actually they didn't give separately or just fill up and separately choose the best answer. It's a continuation. So in that way, I'm writing that according to the number I have written. So don't confuse. There is a fill up is there, choose is there. According to the textbook, I have written. Okay. So the boy thought of pretending to be ill because dash. Okay. He was homesick. Why the boy was acting as if he was ill? Because he was homesick. He want to go to his home. We know that the narrator, that is the meaning. Okay, the boy thought of pretending to be ill because he was homesick. In the dash you have to write. Second one, we know that the narrator was a keen observer because he noticed that she complained of severe pain down in the lower right side of her tummy. So, why we are saying that the narrator was a keen observer, noticing everything, because when he was childhood, he was seeing our cousin was having that appendicitis disease. In that stage, he was noticing her, how he has the pain. Okay, so that is the meaning. We know that the narrator was a keen observer because he noticed that she explained of severe pain down in the lower right side of her tummy. Okay, so there are 4 options they given. I told you the right option only. Okay, correct answer only I told you. Third one, the matron thought that the boy got a stomach ache because dash. He had been eating currant cake all day long. So the matron, the nurse, what she thought is, why the boy got stomach ache? Because he was eating more currant cake. currant. It's a type of cake all day long. He was eating all day that cake. So only he got the pain. The matron thought like that. So which is in the dash you have to write, he had been eating currant cake all day long. Fourth one, what did the school doctor do when he saw the patient? Okay, what did the school doctor do when he saw the patient? Arrange these statements in the correct order. So, so what is that? They have given in the jumbled sentence. In your textbook, they given the jumbled sentence. So we have to write in the correct order. So the first one is, the school doctor went through the same protruding and poking as the matron, is the first one. Okay. Then the doctor put a thermometer in the boy's mouth. Second one, he examines the boy's stomach once more. Okay, third one. Last one is, the doctor was convinced that the boy was sick enough to be sent back home. So, in that order, you have to write in your, in your classwork notebook. Okay. Fifth one, how did Dr. Dunbar find out that the boy was absolutely healthy? Tick the correct option. So, they have given 2 options there. The correct option only I have written. The boy's stomach was soft. So, Dr. Dunbar find out that the boy was absolutely healthy. He is not having any disease. He was acting only, the boy. So, how he find out? When he was touching the stomach was very, very soft. That is it. Okay. And then 6th one, Dr. Dunbar was far wiser than the school doctor because dash. He soon found out that the boy was only pretending to be ill. So the Dr. Dunbar, comparing to the boarding school doctor, Dr. Dunbar is as more intelligent because he find out the boy was pretending, acting as a ill patient. Answer the following. What advice did Dr. Dunbar give the boy? Okay, what advice Dr. Dunbar given? Okay, Dr. Danvers said that everyone who was sent away to boarding school was homesick at first. So, what the doctor was giving advice to the boy, everyone when they are going to the boarding school, at first they felt what is that homesickness only, but they had to learn to accept it. So they have to learn to accept that, okay, accept the reality. He advised the boy that life was tough and sooner. So the Dr. Dunbar was advising the boy the life was very very tough, and the sooner he learned how to cope up with it, so he will know how to cope up with the life, the better it would be for him. So the better it would be for him. Understand? So I read out the answer. Dr. Dunbar said that everyone who was sent away to boarding school was homesick at first, but they had to learn to accept it. He advised the boy that life was tough, and the sooner he learned how to cope up with it, the better it would be for him. Eighth one. Read the following sentence and answer the questions that follow. Understand? You will probably think it's silly that a 9-year-old boy should imagine he would get away with a trick like that, but I had sound reason for trying it on. So this one, a sentence was extract from the textbook, and they have asking 4 questions. For that you have to answer. First question is, who does you refer to? Okay, the pronoun you is refers to the reader. Okay, what is the author here referring? You means the reader. And then who is the 9-year-old boy? The 9-year-old boy is the narrator. The writer itself explaining about his childhood. So he is the narrator. What trick was he trying on the matron? So what is the trick he was playing with the nurse? He was trying to trick the matron into believing that he had an attack of acute appendicitis. So he was acting as if he has the disease. Understand? So what were his sound reasons? The boy had seen his sister suffering from appendicitis. He had observed her behavior and knew the symptoms well. Okay, so the boy knew the symptoms very well. He observed his sister, okay, cousin, okay, sister suffering from appendicitis. So her behavior and symptoms he knew well. Okay, so this is the very simple only. You have 10 meanings and then respond to the following appropriately. There is fill up is there, choose is there, and question answer you have, I think on question you having what are the text in the textbook, what are the questions I have given, that only I have written in that notes. Understand? So write neatly in your English classwork. If you have any doubt, you can call me. So I will meet you in a new chapter. Okay. And then on another one thing, happy to announce you that we changed our English textbook. Okay. So the next lesson onwards, we are going to study from the new text only. Okay. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.